Learn Hindi housing vocabulary, Apartment 2.
सावधानी.
With funny English Hindi stories. Welcome to Apartment Survival. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi for housing, renting, and everyday building drama. And yes, there will be vocabulary, jokes, and at least one suspiciously expensive bill. Picture this, you finally find an
Apartment.
It has light, air, and a balcony that makes you feel like the ruler of 3 potted plants. Around it is the
पड़ोस.
The neighborhood, where somebody always knows everybody, and somebody else definitely knows your delivery schedule better than you do. Inside, your whole
ghar-grihasthi.
begins, dishes, socks, tea, lost chargers, and dreams. Then reality arrives wearing formal shoes and asking for
किराया.
rent. You bravely say, fine, I expected that. Then the paper whispers
अतिरिक्त लागतें.
additional costs, and suddenly your wallet starts doing yoga from stress. Something breaks, so you need
मरम्मत.
repair. You go looking for the
housekeeper.
The caretaker, who has 12 keys, 3 opinions, and the power to appear exactly when you look most confused. And of course, in every slippery hallway and every budget decision, one word helps you survive.
सावधानी.
Caution. Your core words today. Let's make the key words feel easy and familiar. Listen once for meaning, and again like you already own the building. Apartment equals
Apartment.
your cozy little kingdom in the sky. Neighborhood equals
पड़ोस.
the area around your home, including that uncle who notices everything. Household equals
ghar-grihasthi.
your home life, chores, routines, and domestic chaos. Rent equals
किराया.
the monthly reminder that walls are not free. Additional costs equals
अतिरिक्त लागतें.
the hidden little charges that travel in groups. Repair equals
मरम्मत.
what you need when the fan, sink, or your optimism breaks. Caretaker equals
housekeeper.
the building helper with keys and secret wisdom. Caution equals
सावधानी.
what keeps you safe, upright, and slightly smarter than yesterday. A very honest rental story. Now you will hear the words inside a funny little story. Just relax and let the Hindi terms stick. I found a small
Apartment.
in a friendly.
पड़ोस.
I told myself, this is it. This is adulthood. This is success. On day 1, my
ghar-grihasthi.
consisted of 1 cup, 2 spoons, and a heroic amount of instant noodles. Then the landlord smiled and said the
किराया.
was reasonable. I smiled back with the confidence of someone who had not yet heard about.
अतिरिक्त लागतें.
When I finally saw the full bill, my soul quietly left the room and came back holding a calculator. On the second day, the bathroom tap began performing modern dance, so I asked for a
मरम्मत.
The
housekeeper.
arrived with a toolbox, a key ring, and the face of a man who had seen many foolish tenants before me. He fixed the tap in 3 minutes. I had been fighting it for 2 hours. As I walked away proudly, I almost slipped on the wet floor. A sign practically shouted,
सावधानी.
So that day I learned 2 things. Ask questions about bills, and never challenge wet tiles. Mini dialogues you can use. Let's make this practical. These short dialogues are easy to repeat aloud and great for audiobook learning. A. Where do you live? B. I live in an
Apartment.
A. Do you like your area? B. Yes, my
पड़ोस.
is quiet and friendly. A. How is your home life? B. My
ghar-grihasthi.
is busy but happy. A. How much is the room? B. The
किराया.
is high. A. Is everything included? B. No, there are
अतिरिक्त लागतें.
2. A. The sink is broken. B. It needs.
मरम्मत.
A. Who has the spare key? B. The
housekeeper.
has it. A. The floor is wet. B. Use.
सावधानी.
Memory tricks that actually work. Here comes the fun part. These silly images will help the words stay in your head longer. 4.
apartment.
Imagine a tiny elephant trying to fit into a very normal apartment elevator. The elevator disagrees. 4.
पड़ोस.
Imagine your whole neighborhood watching from their windows as you try to carry groceries with one finger. 4.
ghar-grihasthi.
Picture socks, plates, and a broom having a serious family meeting. 4.
किराया.
Imagine a parrot screaming, "Rent day," on the first of every month. 4.
अतिरिक्त लागतें.
Imagine tiny bills popping out of a cheap apartment ad like surprise clowns. 4.
मरम्मत.
Picture a broken chair going to a repair shop and returning with more confidence than before. 4.
housekeeper.
Imagine one cheerful caretaker carrying so many keys that he sounds like a musical instrument. 4.
सावधानी.
Picture even a banana peel wearing a warning badge. Quick quiz time. You are doing great. Answer these in your head or out loud if you enjoy sounding impressively multilingual. What is the Hindi word for apartment?
apartment.
What is the Hindi word for neighborhood?
पड़ोस.
What is the Hindi word for household?
ghar-grihasthi.
What is the Hindi word for rent?
किराया.
What is the Hindi phrase for additional costs?
अतिरिक्त लागतें.
What is the Hindi word for repair?
मरम्मत.
What is the Hindi word for caretaker?
housekeeper.
What is the Hindi word for caution?
सावधानी.
Your real life challenge. Now let's push you a little. Try to imagine your own life using these words. Say, I live in an
apartment.
Say, my
पड़ोस.
is nice. Say, my
ghar-grihasthi.
is busy. Say, the
किराया.
is high. Say, are there.
अतिरिक्त लागतें.
Say, this needs.
मरम्मत.
Say, ask the.
housekeeper.
Say, please use.
सावधानी.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned useful housing Hindi without getting trapped in paperwork forever. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these words.
apartment. पड़ोस. ghar-grihasthi. किराया. अतिरिक्त लागतें. मरम्मत. housekeeper.
And
सावधानी.
repeat them tomorrow, use them in your own sentences, and enjoy sounding more natural every time. You are doing great, keep going.